Welcome back, boys and girls. I wanted to film a couple more videos for us today and get those posted, so we still had some math review and everything going on. And that is why I'm wearing my happy sunshiny shirt that says it's all good, because we're hanging in there. So I wanted to do a little bit of math review again with us today. So we've done vertical addition, adding a single digit to a double digit number. And then we have also done vertical addition, adding double digit numbers together without regrouping. So today I'm going to do a little bit of review with vertical addition, double digits with regrouping. We're going to do a few videos of this since this is still a new skill that we've been working on, but I wanted to get started. So as you know, we have our 3 steps that we always do. We chop our number in half, we glue our ones and our tens together, we hammer and add together our ones and our tens, but when we do numbers that have more than 9 ones in the ones place, more than a 9 in the ones place, we have to bring in our 4th step. And our 4th step is our special construction crane that lifts numbers from our ones place to our tens place. So we're going to do a couple problems of review with that. So when we are adding, say, a number like 23 plus 7, we always remember start with our ones lined up, and we read from left to right, so make sure we are doing that if you're following along at home. So as always, our steps begin with step 1, chop it in half. So we chop our number down between our tens and our ones, so that then we have it split into ones and tens. Now we get to move on to step 2, part 1, glue your ones. So we take our magic glue stick and we glue together our ones place. So now our ones are all glued together. Now if you look at our tens place, we don't have anything to glue just yet, so we're going to leave that be. But that means we have to move on to step 3, part 1. Hammer your ones, add them together. So we have 3 plus 7. Now when we do our counting on, we always start with our bigger number in our head, and then we count on the smaller number. So we have a 7 in our head, and we're counting on 3 times. So everybody put your 7 inside your head, 7, and count on 3 times. 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. But can I have a 10 in my ones place? No, I can't. So I need to erase that because we never put something bigger than 9 in our ones place. So we need to go on up here and write this 10. And this is where our special step 4 comes into place. So in step 4, we split our numbers into tens and ones, just like we would do with any other number. And we have to power up our crane. So, and we're going to get our crane and hover over that tens place. And we need to pull it over and drop it in our tens place. So what I like to do is just draw an arrow. So then I remember I need to pull that over, and I'm going to write a 1. Now, before when we did step 2, we didn't have anything to glue in our tens place. But that's changed now, hasn't it? We now have to go back to step 2, part 2, and glue our tens. So I'm just going to circle with my handy dandy glue stick and glue together my tens place. And that means we get to go back to hammering now because we've taken care of all the gluing. So when you have your 1 and your 0, so we have a 0 in this ones place because we moved over that 1. How many ones do we have left? 0. So we need to step 3, part 1, hammer our ones, bring them down. So we're going to draw an arrow, and we're going to bring that 0 all the way down to our ones place. And now all that's left is to go back and hammer our tens. Step 3, part 2, hammer your tens, add them together. So this is the step I most commonly see people skipping, is they forget to hammer together our tens. They'll bring it over, but then they'll forget to add it, and they'll just move down and put a 2 here. But we started off with 2 groups of 10, and now we have 1 more. So we need to do 2 plus 1, which we all know from our awesome math facts is 3. So we know that 23 plus 7 equals 30. So that was our review problem of the day, working with our cranes and our vertical addition with regrouping. We will continue to do a problem or 2 a day until we are awesome at it. So be sure you are trying these out, and remember, we can never have more than 9 in our ones place. So thank you for joining me for our math review. I hope you are staying safe and warm and having a great time at home. See you later.